A smile is as unique as the person it belongs to. Opalescence Teeth Whitening offers a full regimen for any level of tooth staining and considers every lifestyle. Let's go through which tooth whitening product is recommended for each type of case. Opalescence PF tooth whitening is an at-home customized treatment. Syringes of whitening gel are expressed into custom trays that are distributed by the patient's dental office. It has a customizable wear time depending on the concentration prescribed. The whitening agent is carbamide peroxide with added potassium nitrate and fluoride. It's ideal for most patients, especially those whose treatment needs long-term attention to detail. Opalescence PF whitening is recommended for almost every type of staining. This line has the most variations in strengths and flavors, which makes it easier to curate a treatment regimen customized to the patient. The lowest concentration, Opalescence PF 10% whitening, is recommended for cases where hypersensitivity is a concern. Opalescence Go tooth whitening is an at-home single-use treatment. It is packaged, pre-filled trays that adapt to the teeth during wear. The whitening agent is a very stable hydrogen peroxide with added potassium nitrate and fluoride. It's ideal for most patients, especially those who are new to whitening or who just want a touch-up to keep their smile bright. The greatest advantage with Opalescence Go is the tray that can adapt to every patient, including those undergoing orthodontics. Opalescence Go tooth whitening is recommended for all types of staining, brown, orange, and white spots, and is recommended for patients with hypersensitivity. Opalescence Whitening Toothpaste is a whitening toothpaste that helps remove surface stains with its unique formulation. It's safe for everyday use, plus its cool mint flavor freshens breath and tastes great. It's also available in a sensitivity relief formula, which can be used prior to and during the whitening process. It's ideal for patients who want to take care of surface stains as part of a daily routine. Opalescence Whitening Toothpaste is recommended for surface staining, and the sensitivity relief formula is recommended for cases where hypersensitivity is a concern. The full Opalescence Whitening family creates a system that considers all cases, clinician preferences, and patient preferences. The trifecta of Opalescence teeth whitening products will prove effective in the majority of whitening cases. Use the Opalescence teeth whitening system for a reliably brighter smile.